aside. My brother,
we are having feedback from your end. There's something. There's one noise. Are you touching your mic or something like that?
Okay, is it okay now?
Yeah, you are good to go. Continue.
Okay. Now let me tell our people why they are fighting Ngozi Orabueze. The reason number one they are fighting Ngozi Orabueze is that Ngozi Orabueze makes sure, number one, that nobody use Bafra as a business. Number one. Because I make my own research.
Okay.
Nobody use Bafra as a business. Because before, most of them, and 80% of them, are using it as a business.
Okay.
Now, Ngozi Orabueze now say nobody will use Bafra as a business. If you want to fight the freedom of Bafra, it should be freedom of Bafra, not as a business. And nobody will get position because he knows me as Ngozi Orabueze. Number two, you have been in Bafra agitation, not by merit. He makes sure that anybody that is getting any position merits that position and qualify that position that that person has to get.
Okay.
So that things will be very, very easy for her and for the agitation.
Yeah.
Not somebody that did not qualify to be in this position. Then he took it because of the person knows you, because the person have good relationship with you, he now put the person there, it will drag us back. He said it's not going to happen.
Yeah.
That is number one. That is second crime. Second abomination Ngozi Orabueze did to them.
Okay.
Then number three is that he makes sure that he said to everybody that occupies any position, he must know what they are doing in this position. This position, he must bring report to the government. And those people that we are leading in that position must obey you.
Okay.
That is number three. So when he brought all this thing to table, then they discover that this woman is not, it will not fit for their own aim. It will not go with their own aim. That is where the fight starts.
Exactly.
Now, Madam Onowu, Ada Yorama, they are looking for one position. And that position they are looking is position of men on the ground. To be minister of men on the ground. And that other man is looking for that position. I don't know who is looking for that position. Please, are you listening to me? Because I make my own research very well.
Everything we are hearing you very, very clear. Very, very, very clear.
Thank you. Thank you. Then when they discover that Ngozi Orabueze is not the person that you can push around, because he have a very good relationship with her,